Today I'm going to show you how to fix a stubborn AC condensate drain line. If you have a drain line just like this, where every few weeks or every few months it keeps backing up and you keep pouring bleach in it and you keep pouring vinegar in it, but it just never seems to fix itself, well, I'm going to show you how to finally fix it. A lot of homeowners make the mistake of constantly pouring things like bleach and vinegar into an AC condensate drain line, believing that it's going to unclog it. The problem though is that over the years you will develop a lot of buildup inside the line that needs to be physically cleared. Now, if you call a plumber, they may charge you up to $300 or even more to clear the line for you. If you call an HVAC technician, then typically they'll charge you about $100 or so to put those slime busting tablets, quote unquote, in the line, or to blow air through the line, kind of like I'm about to show you in this video. As a side note, if you get on Amazon, you can buy these really awesome slime busting tablets. It's the same brand and same strength that the HVAC guys use. You put these in your condensate pan, or you can even drop them into your line to help keep it clear. Check out the description of this video and I will leave a link to these below. So here we have an AC condensation drain line that clogs up every few weeks or every few months. Especially during the summer, this thing may even clog up after just a few days of running. Now, the biggest problem is that a lot of times these lines will overflow and damage the drywall below it. I got sick and tired of dealing with this problem, so I spent $50 for a small portable wet-dry vacuum cleaner. This particular wet-dry vac is made by Stanley. It's extremely small, it's portable, and especially convenient for working in small, tight places like your attic. It has a 3-gallon liquid capacity and 3 horsepower. The first thing I'm going to do is grab some heavy-duty tape and attach the vacuum line to my condensate drain. Use the tape to create a nice tight seal between the wet-dry vac and your drain. After you have a nice connection to your AC drain line, connect the other end of the wet-dry vac hose to the vacuum port on the vacuum cleaner. Now you can just turn it on and let it do its magic. Wow, okay. Looks like it took a lot of stuff out of that line. That's pretty disgusting. You can see all the stuff that's in there. It actually looks like rocks or something, but I have no idea what this is, and I'm not gonna touch it. After vacuuming the line for a little while, I went ahead and disconnected the line, put in a funnel, and poured water into the line to test it and see if it still backs up. In my case, vacuuming the line out wasn't enough to completely clear the clog, so now I'm going to reattach the vacuum hose, but this time I'm going to use the output on the vacuum cleaner to blow air into the line. It's important to understand that when you blow air into the line, it's going to go down and go into every direction. That means it may actually force some water into your AC condensate pan, and if you have any other openings in the line, you may want to close them at this point before you start. If your condensate line drains into a sink like mine does, then be sure to close the drain of the sink to avoid debris from shooting out. I'll show you later what will happen if you don't do that. All right, here's the third cup. And so far we are still clear, no backup. and check out all the nasty stuff that came out of that AC line. You can see what happens when you don't close the drain. This stuff could go all over your sink and maybe all over your bathroom. However, it is very satisfying to actually see what you have removed from that line. In my case, my house was built in 2015, so at the time of this video, this is about 8 years of buildup that I have just removed. And the best part is I didn't have to pay anyone to do it. I just spent $50 for this vacuum cleaner. And there you have it. That's how you can completely clear your AC drain line on your own without cutting the line, snaking it, or even worse, paying a bunch of money to have someone else do it for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and good luck.